Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back to you at North Arm Landing, or at least a bridge to North Arm Bay. And we got the sheriff towing someone in today who had an issue. Certainly looks with that bilge pump going that thing is going down for some reason. These were the riders on the boat brought in by the other sheriff, but it turns out that one of the exhaust baffles on the boat let loose and this thing pretty much sunk, but they got it back, brought it in, but the battery goes out, they're gonna have more issues. Trailer on the way. Turbine Guy signing off.